Best eSIM in Chile. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the best eSIM provider in Chile. I've compared a lot of them, and according to the coverage and price, I decided that Maya Mobile is the best option to choose. So firstly, if we're going to see the coverage, by the way, this is the only one platform which provides us the opportunity to check it before buying. We can see that a lot of territories covered with 5G data, which is quite good, and other territories covered with 3G, which is not that bad at all. And the next thing is their plans. So if you're going to search for Chile plans, we can see that they have a lot of different plans. So we have like 5 plans for 5 days, for 10, for 15, for 30, and it's pretty cool. For example, here on Airella, we only have a one plan, which is not that good at all. And let's say that we want to use it for 15 days and we want to buy 5 gigabytes, so we'll have to pay $26. But if you use my link in the description, you'll get 10% discount, which is quite good and really interesting that they provide us the opportunity to get this discount. So all I want to do is to use link in description, then find the necessary plan, click on activate, then you can configure the activation day or plan length. We can choose would like to renew this plan automatically, then scroll down, review and pay. Then you'll have to create an account with your mail, and after that just simply pay with your credit card, PayPal or Google Pay. As you can see, nothing hard. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.